Laptop stuck on loading screen. Laptop frozen on the loading screen? You are not alone. It's one of the most frustrating Windows 11 issues. Stick around as we show you proven fixes to get your system booting again without the headache. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we are going to show you what to do when laptops stuck on the Windows 11 loading screen. Whether it's a driver glitch, startup conflict, or corrupted files, we will walk you through step-by-step solutions to bring your laptop back to life. Let's dive in. Method 1. Reconnect the Wi-Fi. When stuck on loading screen, temporarily disconnect your devices from the Wi-Fi and then try to boot into Windows. Sometimes disabling the Wi-Fi connection and reconnecting can fix the problem. In case you are not using any Wi-Fi connection, disconnect the Ethernet cable and see if this fixes the problem. If not, then unplug the USB devices from your laptop. Method 2. Disconnect the USB devices. Sometimes the USB devices attached to your PC, like the Bluetooth, mouse, and Wi-Fi adapters, can conflict with your system and cause your Windows to get stuck on the loading screen. So disconnect any USB device attached to your laptop. After disconnecting them, try to boot to your PC. If you still cannot boot into your PC properly, go to the next step. Method 3. Check your laptop battery. The next thing you can do is remove the laptop battery and then wait for a while. After then, put it back. You can also replace the old battery with a new one and try to boot into your Windows. If this time also the Windows gets stuck on the welcome screen or loading screen, perform an automatic repair. Method 4. Perform an automatic repair. The automatic repair can troubleshoot issues when you cannot boot into Windows. Boot your computer using bootable media. When you see Windows logo, click Repair Your Computer option. This will lead to the Advanced Startup Recovery menu. If you don't have a bootable device, restart the computer 3 times, pressing the power button consecutively, and you should boot into the Advanced Startup Recovery menu. Enter Advanced Startup Recovery menu and click on Troubleshoot option. Select Advanced Options and then Automatic Repair. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the automatic repair process. You can also use Startup Repair from Advanced Options instead of Automatic Repair. After running the repair process, if the problem still persists, enter into the safe mode and perform other solutions. Method 5. Enter Safe Mode. Safe Mode offers minimal functionalities. By entering the safe mode, you can perform the other solutions when you are stuck on the loading screen. Boot into Advanced Startup Recovery menu following the previous solution. Select Troubleshoot and then Advanced Options. Select Startup Settings and click Restart. Press F5 key on your keyboard to enter the safe mode with networking option. After entering into safe mode, you are ready to perform the other solutions. Method 6. Perform a system restore. If your system has a restore point before having the issues, revert to it. In case you have not created any restore point for your PC, skip this solution and go to the next one. Go to the Start menu and enter Control Panel. Select the top option from the Control Panel window. Click Recovery. Select the Open System Restore, then Next. Select a restore point and click Next, then Finish. Method 7. Disable Fast Startup. The Fast Startup Windows feature helps you to boot faster, but sometimes it can interfere with the restart and shutdown processes. So turn off this startup feature when you cannot boot into Windows normally. Press Windows plus R keys to launch the Run utility. Enter this in the Run command box and press Enter. From the next window that opens, click Choose What Power Buttons Do option. Next, uncheck the checkbox for Turn on the Fast Startup recommended option. Save the changes made and exit. Restart your PC, and if this time also you cannot boot into Windows, disable Credential Manager service. Method 8. Disable Credential Manager Service. Credential Manager allows you to view and delete all the saved credentials while logging into websites, networks, or connected applications. When you cannot log into Windows normally, disable this Credential Manager service, as any corruption in the stored data can prevent Windows from booting normally. Open Run utility and enter services.msc in the Run command box. Click OK or press Enter. From the Services window, find Credential Manager Service and double-click on it. This will expand its properties. Set the startup type to disabled and click Apply, then OK. Restart your computer and see if the problem is fixed, or else run an SFC scan. Method 9. Run SFC scan. Corrupted system files can also be the reason why laptop is stuck on the loading screen. Open command prompt as an administrator using Windows Search. Run these commands in the elevated command prompt window, one after the other. Method 10. Run chkdsk utility. Chkdsk utility can fix problems related to memory corruption. If this Windows problem is due to memory corruption, then follow these steps to run the chkdsk command. Enter CMD in the Windows search button and right-click on command prompt option. Choose Run as Administrator option. In the elevated command prompt window, enter the following command and press Enter. Here C represents my system drive, so make sure to replace it accordingly. Method 11. Reset and reboot the boot manager service. If the boot sector of your system partition is damaged, then also Windows laptop may get stuck on the loading screen. To troubleshoot the problem, reset and repair the boot manager service. Open an elevated command prompt window and enter these commands one by one and press Enter after each command. After successfully running all the commands, exit command prompt and restart your PC. If you still cannot boot into Windows normally, run these commands in the elevated command prompt window. If this does not fix the problem, uninstall third-party applications. Method 12. Uninstall third-party applications. Some third-party applications like SmartPass can interfere with your OS and cause Windows to hang on in the loading screen. To fix the problem, uninstall the application. Open Windows Control Panel and click on Programs and Features. From the list of all the installed programs, from the list of all the installed apps, locate SmartPass and right-click on it. Click Uninstall and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Restart your computer and check if you can load into Windows normally. If not, reset Windows. Method 13. Reset Windows. If nothing helps you to fix the problem, reset Windows. But before you do so, make sure to back up all your important files. Press Windows plus I keys to open settings. Click on System, select the recovery option, click on Reset PC next to reset this PC option. Select Remove Everything, then only the drive where Windows is installed option. Go to Additional Settings, then Next. From the next window, select Just Remove My Files option and follow the instructions given on screen to fix the issue. After finishing the process, reinstall the applications you need and restore all your backups. And that's it. Your laptop should now be past the loading screen and running smoothly again. If this guide helped, give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick, reliable tech solutions. Still stuck or found another fix? Share it in the comments. Let's help each other. Thanks for watching. We will catch you up in the next video.